everyone. My name is Weiwei, and this is my partner Jenny. Our concentration is network security, and our advisor is Dr. Satya. So today, we're going to introduce our Capstone project, Android-based mobile multimedia multi-chat system. Hope you all will enjoy it.
So the mobile multimedia multi-chat system is an Android application. It was a prototype software that was previously developed by CSUD students Eric Burgess and Eric Miao as their Capstone project. This app is primarily aimed at emergency responders like firefighters, military, or police officers. At the time, it was able to perform multi-user chat, presence notification, which basically lets the users know if they sign in or sign out, and image transfer.
So the problem, why do we want to make application for firefighters? Imagine what if you are a firefighter and you have to put your life in danger every day. So what could make this easier? Technology, specifically communication technology. And a better communication technology or device could provide more opportunities for firefighters to save them and others as well. And nowadays, there are so many firefighters are still using walkie-talkies to communicate with each other. And this device limits the potential service that a better functional device and application could provide for firefighters. So this is one situation that could happen to firefighters when they are using walkie-talkie to communicate with each other. When one firefighter is in danger and he has asked for help, another firefighter doesn't know where he is, and it's hard and complicated to explain where you are in an emergency situation. So that's why a better functional. That's why we want to make a mobile-based application to maximize the potential service for firefighters. And the previous developer, Eric, they took this idea, put everything together, and made a wonderful, the first version of this mobile multimedia multi-chat system. And we took over this project, and we looked over everything. We found some coding issues, and also it needs better functions to provide a better service for emergency personnel.
So our first goal was to make improvements to the previous app, which included the user chat room by updating all the messages and actually updating the Latin long to signify an actual location. We also wanted to add features to the existing app by adding visual GPS, which is a Google map, and emergency notification button. The same scenario Weiwei went over, the firefighter that needs help will use the emergency button, and that message will get sent to the server and then get sent to the users in the chat. It will then be easier to actually find them, and they will have the exact location where they are.
So this is a really complicated Capstone project. And as a team, we had to take different responsibility in order to finish this project. And so Jenny worked on the server part, and also some Android application development, and she redesigned the entire interface for this application. And it was my pleasure to work with her, and because she's awesome. And for me, I mainly focus on application development part. We fixed the coding issues, and we added 2 new more functions. The first one is GPS. So I assume everyone knows what GPS is, so I'm not going to explain it. The second one is notification. I do want to introduce this function because I made it, and it's awesome too. So as we see, there's an emergency bar on the top of the map, and when you are in danger, you just tap the bar, and it sends an emergency message automatically to everyone in the chat room. You can see there is emergency message has been sent from me, and also it changes the icon in the map and to the red pointing icon. It represents emergency. Moreover, it changes your status under the members. You can see next to my name, there's emergency status. Basically, no matter where you are or what functions you are using, you can be notified when someone's in danger.
So the hardware that was needed was a spare computer to run the server on, Android phones to test the app on. The software that was needed was equipped with Android software development, which is needed to develop Android apps. Java 6, Buddy Cloud chat service, which is the interface that the users sign on. OpenFire server to forward the messages to the chat room.
So what did we learn? And first I have to mention it has been a great experience for me. I have never thought I could finish something like this, but we did it. Yes, congratulations. So during this process, I have gained many new skills, such as how to make a simple Android application, and also my Java skill got improved. More important, I have learned how to overcome difficulties and do troubleshooting.
So I learned some Android development, mainly with the interface and GPS coordinates. I learned server-side concepts by setting up the server and have to deal with the routing. Documentation was an important one because that's what we needed to actually have a background on what to do. So if someone wants to take over, they will have that now. Troubleshooting skills by figuring out what is wrong and how to overcome that. And also project management by dividing the task and our time. So thank you for your time to find out more about our